What's going on, guys? It's your boy Elite, and today we are back with a brand new rewind. Today we got the brand new Dutch skin in the item shop. Um, he's a bunny, okay. His name is Dutch, Floppy, Hoppy, and Unstoppable. Yeah, he has three edit styles. Yeah, this is the default, like the blue one. Then we got the Midnight. I like the Midnight way better than the others. Then we got the Nesquik version. That's pretty cool. Then we got his backbling, Jelly key. Whoa, that key is huge. That's a backbling. That's huge. It has only two different styles. Doesn't it has like a black key? Well, yeah, interesting. We got the default version, it's like the gold, and then we got the blue one, which goes well with this type of style. Then we got his pickaxe, candle, opera. No styles. Interesting. Why wouldn't there be a style for the pickaxe where there are styles for both the skin and the backbone? It's really weird, you know. So, let's see the splash effect. Whoa, I love that splash effect. It's like blue smoke. Is there a contra? Yeah, it like the flame flows through like when you're like swinging it, and also the smoke comes back. Then we got aura, real sweaty skin, two different styles. Nice. Then we got guild, Ali skin. Love the skin. And only for 800 though, I love it. Two stars. I like this one. I like this one more than the first one. Then we got Goldilock. Only for 200. Yeah, it's a pretty cheap backbling. Then we got Diamond Eye. I love this pickaxe. Two colors. And also I think like the diamonds move. I think they move in game. Two different colors. I love this pickaxe and only for 500. Then we got gold chain. Pretty nice backbling and also for 200. I think it's worth it. Well, there's no cheaper. Then we got Raptor for 2000. Yeah, it's kind of worth it, but not really. I like this style, yeah. This is one of my favorite styles in the game. Then we got his backbling. Does it have styles? No. Why? I want this also to have style. Then we got Velocity for 2000 but zero styles. I would say Velocity is the worst skin in like the Raptor thing skin. Then we got Assault Combo. I love this glider and the animation. Look at the animation. It like first it's like rusted out and then it like flies properly. I love this and the sound is so good. Then we got Podgy Animal. I really like this pickaxe. If you saw my last item shop video, I told you guys that I really like things that have to do with slope. So yeah, but it's kind of too expensive. So yeah. Then we got Dummy. A lot of sweats wear this. Well, they used to now. They do still wear it, but not a lot. Has two different styles, carbon fiber and the default. Then we got his backbling with also two different styles, the default and the carbon fiber. Then we got his pickaxe, which also has two different styles, carbon fiber and default. It's pretty rare to get all the styles in the full set. Yeah, then, but unfortunately his wrap doesn't have one, but it's pretty nice. Only for 300. It's plain yellow and orange, a little bit orange. Then we got Jelly. I love the skin. His backblings has This is the rainbow style. I like the rainbow, but I wish it was like on the channel also. That would have been so much better. So that's jelly. Then we got Verge. Verge is like the scuffed love. Yeah, because it got like a logo of it. Well, usually in this daily section, it has to be something like a little rare, but we've seen all of these come out a lot of times. Then we got Stock Splitter. Let's hear the splash plate. Nice. This goes well with the Scully skin because it has like that symbol on the bottom, and it also goes well with Dark series or Shadow series. Then we got Wiggle, pretty nice emote, I really like it. Then we got Burpee. Burpee actually has two different emotes in one. So first is the exercise, and the other one is the you gotta find it. Look, the other one is the burp. So pretty nice. I would say it's worth it. This Burpee emote is really worth it. Then we got No Sweat. 500, I would say it's worth it. I love this. Then we got Stella. She was there in yesterday's item shop. Pretty nice skin, only for 800, yeah. Then we got Sprout. Her pickaxe. Very nice pickaxe. Then we got Bun Bun. I really love this skin. I really. Then we got Chocolate. Well, it goes well with all of the Easter skins, I would say. Then we got Snake Eye, and that's about it for today's item shop, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.